If you're considering getting a low THC recommendation in Georgia, the first step is a clinical evaluation with a licensed doctor. My MMJ Doctor offers a secure, HIPAA-compliant online platform to help you move forward with confidence and clarity. Head over to mymmjdoctor.com and select Georgia as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. This helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. A pop-up will appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed Georgia medical professional is then scheduled right away. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. If clinically approved, the physician submits your medical certification and requires a low THC oil waiver to the Georgia Low THC Oil Registry portal. You can then legally purchase low THC medical cannabis from licensed dispensaries in Georgia. So, start your journey toward meaningful relief with mymmjdoctor.com. All from the comfort of your home, because the right guidance can make all the difference.